6W841-850.
Michael Lee Carmen, P73824, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
Daniel Dyer.
All right, so what are we doing on this one? He wants an adjournment, right?
We're just covering.
Is that right, sir? You want that?
Yeah, sure.
All right, first of all, let me give you a $500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law. You must appear in court as directed, okay? So I'm giving you a personal bond on this, but there are bond conditions. No contact with prosecution witnesses. You're not to enter 23800 Allen Road or any other wall marked. You're not to enter 23800 Allen Road in Woodhaven or any other wall marked. $500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You have to go to the Woodhaven Police Department to be fingerprinted and photographed today by 3:30. Any reason you can't get there by 3:30?
No, I'll go there as soon as I leave here.
All right, so you have to go to the Woodhaven Police Department to get fingerprinted and photographed. I'll give you a new pre-trial date, and that will be when?
We could do July 22nd at 9:45.
July 22nd at 9:45. If you want a court-appointed lawyer going forward, you're gonna have to fill out a petition for one, okay? Do you work?
Yes.
Where?
I just started my own tree service 2 months ago. I've been doing tree work for 7 years, but I finally went out and bought my own equipment, so.
But wait a minute. You did my tree once,
Correct.
and then you were in front of me on that other case, and you
Yes,
didn't
sir.
show up on it.
Years ago, yes,
So that's why I thought,
with you had put me in drug court, sobriety court.
and you didn't show up.
Yeah, and there's issues before in the past, but I'm on probation with passing. I can't say, Your Honor, I've changed my life around. I'm doing great for myself, and
Doesn't look like you're doing too great. You keep getting yourself in trouble. If this is doing great and you turned your life around, I'd hate to see what happened if you didn't turn your life around. You still got a warrant out of Southgate, out of Detroit, out of Southgate, out of Lincoln Park, and out of Monroe. So 2 out of Southgate, Monroe, Lincoln Park, and Detroit. Go take care of those before you come back.
okay.
Fill out a petition for court-appointed lawyer. We'll see you here. Good luck. Destiny Henry. Make sure you go over there and get fingerprinted. I filled out the order, Heather. Destiny Danielle Henry, 26W842-495.
Michael Lee Carmen, P73824, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
Destiny Henry?
She's gonna plead to disturb the peace under HIDA. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
And then we're gonna go ahead and dismiss the stalking. If you plead to that under HIDA, I'll set terms and conditions. If you're compliant by, when you come back, the case will be dismissed on motion prosecutor, and they're saying here, possible proof issues, justify reduction for, including HIDA. So, do you understand everything here? If you plead guilty, the possible penalties under this, for disturb the peace under HIDA are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. And then I'll dismiss the stalking. Do you understand?
Yes.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights? If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that? You got to keep your voice up.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is this how you wish to proceed? To the charge disturb the peace, how do you plead?
Yep.
On March 16 and 26 at 3:22 p.m., were you on Montebello near Albert and Woodhaven? You weren't on Montebello Drive near Albert Street in Woodhaven?
No, sir, I don't have a car to get out here.
Where were you?
Home, probably.
Oh, wait a
I
minute.
believe that's the address. I believe the address in question was where the complaining witness was located.
Okay.
This involving sending, receiving text messages.
Okay. Okay. So what did you do? What kind of messages did you send? Did you threaten her?
Don't threaten messages. We're currently in a custody dispute. Judge Hudson signed an order to give my son back. They didn't give my son back, and for 52 days they kept him from me. And it was just 52 days of being angry. But
So you're angry with, this is the mother of your child too?
the mother of my son's dad,
Yeah.
my son's parent,
I see.
yes,
So she's the one you were alleged to be stalking.
yes.
And what did you send her when you were stalking, supposedly? What kind of text messages? What kind of phone calls?
No phone calls, all text messages, but they were, my son's dad had been lying throughout the.
I just want to know specifically what you said, ma'am. I have to believe you're guilty of something, so tell me what you did.
There were multiple messages over a span of
Great, I heard you. Now
months.
tell me what you said in the messages.
There's nothing specific, I just called her a bad person, I said that this.
You're a bad person, that's what you put on the text? Yes?
This,
So I won't see anything more than you're a bad person?
I mean, I went into the situation, I listed out the lies, I listed out,
Swear at her? Did you call her names?
I don't think I was name calling until the end.
Well, at the end, were you name calling?
I think I did call her.
What'd you call her?
I'm sorry, bitch, on my son's second birthday.
And you texted her how many times, say, within the week preceding that?
Oh, I don't think, it wasn't, it was the one time that I called her out of her name was my son's second birthday, but it wasn't like, I wasn't texting every day, it was just like,
Can you help? Feel like,
Sounds like everything, like,
yes.
Ms. Henry, you said this solely dealt with text messages to this complainant, correct?
yes.
So you started off sending her a couple, correct? And at any point did she tell you to stop communicating with her?
Probably around March 16th.
And
After March 16th, did you continue to send her unwanted text messages?
Yeah.
And did the police have to become involved as a result?
Yes.
Okay, so the police had to become involved because you're charged with a crime. That's satisfying.
are you on probation or parole?
I'm a Judge Simpson.
Were you on probation or parole at the time that this offense occurred? Back on March the 16th?
Yes.
You understand if you plead guilty here and you were on probation on March 16th, that this case would be deemed a violation of that probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated as a result of this plea and conviction. You understand that? I can't hear you, ma'am. Anybody, you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. Nobody's forced you to plead guilty? All right, I'm gonna accept your plea to that charge. I'm gonna order a pre-sentence report. I'm gonna give you a sentencing date, and I'll take it under HIDA, September 22 at 8:30. July 22 at 8:30. I'm sorry, July 22 at 8:30. Go get your notice and you're all set, okay? And you can leave, but before then, you have to talk to probation today, okay? Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Cameron, thank you. Cameron Thomas Brad, 26W843536. And I also have 26W843531. Your name?
My name is Cameron Thomas.
They're going to dismiss the littering. You're going to plead to the civil infraction of pedestrian violation, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Jaywalking on Rygate near Heritage Drive.
That's what.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible, pedestrian violation.
Oh, responsible.
I'll accept the plea. Fines cost of 75. Littering's dismissed. You're all set.
I have just one question for you.
Sure.
I actually heard that you may know somebody that was related to me, my grandmother. Her name is Audrey Jean Brad.
Yeah, but I can't do anything for it.
Yeah, I know. I wasn't asking you to do anything about that. I just heard, just wanted to say.
I mean,
she was a big part of my life, so I was just wondering.
yeah.
He actually wanted to know if you knew Richard Brad or Audrey Brad, which
Yeah.
one you knew more. And I thought it was my mother, Audrey,
Yeah.
because of the dry cleaners, but I mentioned,
No. Where did Audrey Brad live at?
She used to live at 2211 Medford Street. It's right
right
here.
here.
Yeah, right on the corner of Medford and Harrison.
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't seen her in decades. They had a big sign up for me when I ran when I was a
Yeah.
kid. I was a kid then.
She actually passed away in 2023.
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, she was one.
Are you gonna stay out of trouble?
I'm trying to get myself a job right now.
What, did you graduate?
Yes, I graduated with a diploma.
When's the last time you worked?
Friday. Actually, I lost my job Friday.
How'd you lose your job?
I was let go due to some comments that were made about another associate, because they were.
About what?
Another coworker of me, of mine was harassing me, and I just made some comments under my breath, and then my boss asked me what I said, and I said it again. Probably shouldn't have.
Where were you working?
It's like Walmart.
Where?
Walmart, right over there on